So today on this 1959 Axeman Anderson here, we're getting close to 1 year of running. In about another week or so it'll be exactly 1 year, so it's time to do a bit of a cleaning. So we're going to take the stovepipe off and clean out the thimble. I'm probably going to redo the stovepipe because I'm thinking this angle's a bit shallow for the fly ash to actually fall back into the cyclone separator where it can come out into the ash pan. So what we're going to do is probably put an elbow joint at about 45 degrees right off of the Pope's hat here and come straight up to a T, and we're going to turn this T around the other way so it faces that way and the cap is up here, so that way mid-season if we need to clean that 45 degree pipe out at all, we can just pull the cap and put a brush down there. And the other thing we got to do is clean the swirl chamber, which is going to involve pulling the fan and bearing box out, which is these 4 bolts that hold the fan plate on, and cleaning out all inside there, making sure the fan's okay, and after that we'll put it all back together.